Today we have a list of all poker hands, ranked and explained. Have you ever wondered what are the different hands in poker and how are they ranked? Today you will get the answer. In poker there are 10 different types of hands you can have. We will go through them in order from the strongest hand to the weakest. The strongest hand in poker is the royal flush. It will always beat any other hand. A royal flush consists of a 10, jack, queen, king, and ace cards, all in the same suit. It is the rarest hand one can have in poker. The second strongest hand is a straight flush. A straight flush consists of 5 cards in sequence, all of the same suit. If 2 players both have a straight flush, then the player with the highest card in the straight flush wins. The third strongest hand is 4 of a kind. This hand is made up of 4 matching cards, regardless of the suit. If 2 or more players have a 4 of a kind, the one with the highest card wins. Fourth is the full house. This hand consists of 2 sets of cards, the first being 3 of the same card and the second being 2 of the same card. Fifth is a flush. A flush is made up of 5 cards of the same suit, but they do not need to be in any sequence. Sixth is a straight. A straight is 5 cards that are in sequence, but they are not of the same suit. Seventh is 3 of a kind. This hand is made up of 3 matching cards of any suit. The other 2 cards in the hand do not matter. Our 8th hand is 2 pair. This is when you have 2 sets of cards, both of them being 2 of the same card. The 5th card does not matter in this hand. The 9th hand is a pair. This is when you have 2 matching cards from any suit, and the remaining 3 cards do not matter. If no one has any of the above-mentioned hands, then the game is won by the player who has the highest card, also known simply as high card. The hand shown is a king high, and would win a high card game if no one had an ace. If anyone had an ace card in their hand, then they would win this game. Now you know all the different card combinations that can make up a hand in poker. Please like and subscribe for more videos about casino card games and more. Now, I have just a quick offer for you guys. If you are interested in playing poker online for real money, check out the special link on your screen or click the link in the description. Bovada is one of the oldest and most trusted online casinos on the web, offering a full range of casino games, including poker, blackjack, slots, sports betting, and more. It's free to join and start playing, and if you use the link on your screen, Bovada will match your first deposit up to $500 when you are ready to start playing for real money.